My name is Alex Jackson, and I'm a photographer, explorer, and creator. On this YouTube channel, you'll find my comings and goings, adventures, and experiences as I explore all that North America has to offer. Hey there folks, it's Alex here from the show Alex Build Stuff. It's a show where I build stuff and I show you. Alright. Okay, so today I am back here at REE's shop and I'm working on Thomas. And what I'm doing today is I'm going to start installing the not tire swing out, swing out on the back bumper of Thomas. So what I've got is this 4x Innovation like tire swing out spindle kit that I gotta start putting on. So I'm just setting small objectives today. I just want to get this welded onto the back bumper so that it's straight and square with the bumper. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and then hopefully I get farther than that and I'm able to do some other cool stuff, but we'll see where we get to today, and I'm also working tomorrow, so. Well, they say that if you want it to rain, start working on your truck. I mean, I kind of say that for a lot of different things, but in my world, if I want it to rain, I should start working on my truck, and sure enough, it will start raining. So I've kind of been forced inside, but I'm going to show you what I have done to this point and what I plan on doing. Okay, so this is kind of like a mock-up of what I am going to be doing. So I want space for 2 jerry cans, and then right here is going to be a propane cylinder, and just like a little like 10-pound propane cylinder will go right here. What I'm doing on the end, so this right here, if you haven't caught on, is going to be for a bike rack, because I want to be able to carry my bike with me. And then this here, this is the way that I'm going to lock up my swing out, and then this in turn should also block the doors from being opened and double as a security system. So I gotta build like a holder for these. So I have all of this wonderful 1-inch tubing that's for my roof rack, but also for my swing out.
3 hours later.
It's been about a few hours. I've kind of just went hard on trying to build something. With the rain, it just became, you know, one of those things where I didn't really want to film while I build. So I'm just going to show you what I've done so far. I think I'm done for the night, and I'm going to start welding stuff up tomorrow morning. So this monstrosity is what I've come up with. It doesn't look very good right now, but I promise it will look better later. So you may recognize this is one of those kind of master lock things that you put on the back of a van. I just got this on Amazon, but this now goes right here. So now I can lock up my kind of like swing out, and then there's going to be a bar or a piece of tube that goes up like this over the jerry cans or something like that, and then down to there. But it will block both doors. So long as this is on there, my back door should be pretty secure. I got one of these off of Amazon. This thing is just tacked in place right now, and I've modified the lock system so that it holds the actual spring pin, and then I'm going to drill a hole in the end right here, so I don't always have to use this to lock or to like hold my swing out in place. So yeah.
The next day.
Hey, back here again in the shop. I've already been working a little bit this morning. So what I've done, decided to use some scrap material that we had around the shop from one of my previous builds. And so I just kind of built, you know, a really basic rectangle for the jerry cans to sit on, like so. So at some point, like, I'm gonna build a hoop here that goes up and over, and I think I'm gonna have a hoop that goes like this around the bottom, and then I'll have a place to strap the cans down. What I'm working on now is putting a kind of like a platform here so that I can mount my propane cylinder. So again, I just found some scrap material. I'm going to cut this base out and make like a little mounting plate for it. Should be good. So as you can see, I've got the swing out kind of mounted up. Swings away like so. This is my locking mechanism that I still have to put on there. So I'm going like that, and this is a spring hitch right here. So 3-inch radius.
On the other dies is that each pin accounts for 3 inches of material as well. To get this pin to transfer to the next pin.
Big ass donkey truck!
You had a bigger donkey truck than I did. Oh, bring the fleet?
Rent the van fleets.
That's what? 60 degrees. But it's off a degree. You muscle it into shape, don't worry.
Yeah, because we got Big Daddy, right? Hilarious! We don't actually need a bender, we just need you.
Yeah.
I also cut it long.
No, I meant like this.
things are coming along pretty dang well, I have to say. Weather held off almost the entire day until I was like right at assembly. So luckily I'm under the covering now, and all I have to do is just put grease in the bearings and then assemble. And then yeah, it's all painted up. Looks good. And I'm gonna throw some jerry cans on there and drive around with empty jerry cans so I look cool. Okay, success. Finished the swing out and it came together really nicely. So once it's raining and I have a little bit more time, I think I'll do kind of like a full review, or I don't know, show you what it does. It swings out. That's pretty much it. Yeah, good day's work.
Well, hi there, folks. It's Alex here from the show Alex Build Stuff, the show where I build stuff and I show you. Folks, if you enjoyed what you saw on that screen today, maybe consider giving it a like and subscribe, because let me tell you, there is a lot more content coming your way. So stay tuned for that, and until next video, you guys have a great old time. Yeah, okay, alright, see you later.